Add the plane, scale it, subdivide it few times, add the displace modifier and add the clouds. Add subdivided surface for better looking. Now go to shading, click to new, change the color, add the displacement, add the noise texture, press Ctrl plus T on noise texture for mapping and texture coordinate. Now change the sea color and modifier settings as in the video. Now adding a HDRI for our project, adding a area light, set up the camera as you like. Let's fix the metal and roughness settings. The video is finished. I hope you find it useful. Follow me for more videos.